Yo, this is why I think System.io is the easiest way to start selling digital products. Now, I'm going to back up that claim. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free digital store, right? That you can use within System.io. Plus, we're going to give you everything you need inside the store, a digital product if you don't have one, or if you have your own, I'll show you how to set it up for you, right? I'm also going to give you some upsell pages, the sales pages, the checkout pages, a thank you page, the email sequences, even help you with your domain. Everything I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free. So the details on that is going to be at the end of this video if you stick around. All right. First things first. I'm gonna keep it a buck 50 with y'all. All right. I am a System.io affiliate. Okay. Which means when you sign up and upgrade to a premium plan or of System.io, I'm gonna get a cut. All right. So let's make that perfectly clear. All right. Now, whether or not I was an affiliate, I am an affiliate for them or not, I still would recommend it if they didn't even have an affiliate program because I actually use it. I use it to teach my students and my clients how to build their online digital stores because I just love System.io. It wasn't always like that. All right. I am a former ClickFunnels user, and I was die hard with that. So to switch over to System.io took some time. All right. But now I'm absolutely in love with it. So much so that I moved everything from ClickFunnels into System.io. And this is why I can honestly say, with me being an affiliate or not, I actually use it. I help my students with it because I believe in it. So I might as well get paid for referring people to them because they're making a lot of money and they should give me a cut. I'm just going to keep it 100 with you guys. All right. So if you want to say, okay, he's biased, he's an affiliate, he's going to get a cut if I sign up. Yes. But I'm not just sending you to something I don't use and don't believe in. All right. Second thing is, all right, the reason I think it's the easiest way to start selling digital products because it's an all-in-one tool. Okay. You can build your funnels with it. You can do your emails. You can set up the checkout pages and the automations. All of it can be done within System.io, the funnel building software. You can even do blogs and even do courses, right? So if you're trying to save money, right, and not have all these softwares and then learn how to tie them all together so they speak to each other and your automations work, having a having an all-in-one tool, or at least starting out with an all-in-one tool, is the best route to go. All right. And back then, when I first started, all of that wasn't like that, or there were very few. And if you found one like ClickFunnels, it was very expensive. Okay. So you don't have to duct tape and try and combine all these different platforms. Everything is going to talk to each other when the person comes to your System.io sales page or landing page or whatever you want to call it. Everything is going to start happening once they interact with your sales page. So it's going to save you money and simplifies the tech. Now, another thing I would like to throw in there, System.io, hands down, has one of the best customer service tech team that I have ever seen in my life. Super fast, super responsive. They give you screenshots, they give you video tutorials. They will even do some of the stuff completely for you. For example, if you're trying to do your domain and collect your domain and your business email, which a lot of people struggle with if they're just starting out and they're not tech savvy, if you're a System.io user, they would do it all for you. They'll do it for you for the free. For the free. They would do it for you. Game changer. You know how hard it is trying to train people who've never had a domain and a business email, how to tie them together so that when those automations of their emails go out, it's coming from their business email and their business domain. Some people just it's impossible for them to do, right? So for them to do that for you for free is a game changer. All right. So this is why I stand on System.io. All right. Which brings me to number two. It's made for beginners. All right. The interface is so simple. It's a drag and drop. Plus, they got tons. I mean, I don't even think I've seen them all. Pages and pages of templates for you to get started. All right. And I'm going to get into more of that a little bit coming up in a short little while. but the templates are basically done for you from anywhere from being a realtor to being a dentist to selling digital products to selling e-commerce. If you want to do a blog, if you got subscriptions, if you're a coach, if you're a YouTuber, whatever it is, they got a template for you. So you won't have to build it from scratch. And with your free account, you're going to get access to hundreds of them. Hundreds of them. All right. Um, so there's that. So you won't have to find no developer or no coder to handle your stuff, man. If you can just, just click some buttons and follow some simple instructions. The templates are very easy and done for you. On top of that, back to the customer service. If you get stuck, they will help you with those templates. All right. And they are fast and they're reliable and super, super nice. I can't stress that enough. I told you I know I'm biased, but I actually mean this from the bottom of my heart. I don't just speak about anybody. I wouldn't send you anywhere if I didn't believe in them this much, you guys. System.io is really, really good. So with all of that, this is going to work great for you using this software, even if you're not tech savvy. So that's why I highly, highly recommend them. All right. Which brings me to number 3, System.io versus all the other tools. So there's Etsy, all right? There's Standstore, there's Kajabi, there's Beacons, there's Linktree, there's so many other platforms, all right, that you can sell your digital products for. And I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Any platform you choose, if you're really serious about making money online, the platform isn't going to make you or break you. So I don't want you guys to think, okay, he's saying System.io. Everybody else out there is no, because I won't be successful on it. No. All right. I don't like Etsy, but there are people on Etsy crushing it so hard, I'd be like, maybe I need to go check out Etsy. All right. But if you watch some of my videos, I'd be like, yo, don't start off on Etsy. But there are people doing great on Etsy. There are people that use Kajabi. There are people that stand on ClickFunnels. I'm just telling you why I like System.io. And probably one of the best reasons is System.io has a free forever plan. $0, not a free trial. ClickFunnels free trial, Kajabi free trial, Shopify free trial, Standstore free trial. Everybody has a free trial, but System.io has a free forever plan, which means that you can use the platform for free if you're just starting a business up until their limitations, and their limitations are high. All right, you can go to their page to check that out. I won't go into the details, but the limit for one, you get 3 funnels you can do, right? And you can send out unlimited emails, right? That is a game changer for free. On top of that, they recently lowered their price from $27 a month, which was their starting plan. If you upgrade it, now it's $17 a month. The lowest I've seen is Standstore, which is $29 a month, but you don't get all of the features you need to start your business. They limit you. With System.io, you get all the features you need to send out emails and do the automations and all that cool stuff for the free. They just give you more of it if you upgrade, and it starts at $17, which still is more than Standstore at $29. But to get access to everything that you get for $17 on Standstore is $97 or $99, which is crazy. ClickFunnels starts at $97, period. They only give you a 2-week free trial. After that, it's $97, right? They're crushing the game with the price, period. And everything that you can do in Standstore, you can do in Systems.io for the free, or get more of it for $17, and you're still doing better than Standstore. I don't know what the big craze is about Standstore. I get it. Or whatever, it's just popular. People are standing behind it, and they're affiliates too, and they're promoting it real hard. But if we were, hey, how am I saving money? Because pretty much all the platforms can do similar things, and then it just comes down, okay, how am I saving me money? And System.io is crushing all of them. So as a coach, a person whose niche, whose audience is mainly people who just starting out, and who don't have a lot of money, it just makes sense to send them to System.io instead of a free trial. 2 weeks is not long enough for a beginner to start making money, right? And being consistent every month to pay it. And $29 or $99 for the limitations that you might get or whatever, it might be a lot to them. So System.io crushes it. All right. I mean, for real. Plus, like I said, it's easier to use. Have y'all been on freaking WordPress? I hated WordPress. I didn't stay on WordPress that long. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I I still think it's hard. I don't know why anybody would want to do WordPress this anymore with all the new stuff and stuff that's out now. And some of the other websites are super hard too, right? And then their customer service sucks. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. If I would be so happy if somebody would have told me, System.io is better and showed me. And I'm like, man, heck yeah, why am I paying for and doing this and struggling with something like WordPress, right? And it's built with solopreneurs. The difference between an entrepreneur and a solopreneur, entrepreneur may have a team, right? They might have somebody helping them. All they got to do is produce content or focus on one thing. They got people working with them. A solopreneur is only them. So you're the editor, you're the site builder, you're the copywriter, the email writer, all that stuff, right? So that's what makes you a solopreneur, and System.io was built with solopreneurs in mind. I hope that makes sense. And again, I stress free plan to start. Free forever. No trials. Okay? So that's why I use it and recommend it. I run all my funnels and automations with it. I've helped others launch it in under an hour. It's the best tool for getting results fast, right? Because you're saving all the time, all the techie stuff. I can literally give you everything and you have your store up and running in an hour. Plus, I could support you better and help you better because we're using the same tool, which makes my job that more effective and efficient because we're using the same software. All right. Which brings me up to this. I told you if you stuck around, I'm going to show you how you can get your own store for the free. Okay. I'm not going to sell you the store. All right. Because I'm going to help you set up your store, your digital product store for free. And here's what you're going to get. All right. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a digital product sales page. I'm all about selling digital products. All right. And it's going to, this page and this funnel is also going to be integrated with a checkout page and an upsell page. All right. Watch my other videos if you don't know what those are. All right. So I'm not going to just give you a sales page and then you can put your digital product on there, but you can't sell it because you don't have a checkout page. I'm not going to leave you hanging like that. You're going to get the whole funnel. You're going to get an email follow-up sequence, which means I'm going to help you set up the emails, right? So when they purchase, it's going to deliver the product they purchased, or if they didn't purchase, it's going to follow up with them, or it's going to follow up them to nurture them to getting your upsell, which is a higher price digital product. All right. And I'm going to give you a digital product. I'll give you a digital product that's selling, that I sell still to this day, that's making me money. I'm going to give it to you, right? Give it to you. Or if you already have your own, I'm going to show you how to set up your own and add it into the funnel. This is like crazy. Like I could charge hundreds, thousands of dollars for what I'm doing. Matter of fact, I have, right? Why this saves you weeks of time? Because this is why you want to do this. This is going to help you skip all that tech setup, the copywriting design. I did it all for you. You ain't got to watch hundreds of hours or thousands of hours of YouTube tutorials and go to YouTube University. You're going to come straight to me. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to skip all that and go straight to progress. All right. So that you can focus on other things. I want to hurry up and get your store set up so you can focus on getting traffic there, show you how to make money from it. This is the fastest way to get your first sale. You can literally, and some people have gotten their first sales within the week. All right. And this can literally happen for you. Okay. So this is why I'm doing this. I know how hard it is to get started. Most people never make it past the tech. I want to remove that barrier, remove that obstacle from out of your path. No excuses now. All you got to do is this. Make money from it. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But the tech stuff, I'm gonna set it help. I'm not gonna do the work, but it's super easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's all gonna be imported into your System.io account in one click. That's how easy it is. It's already pre-built and done for you. I'm just gonna show you how to tweak it, all right, and make it your own for your business. All right. Now, System.io, another reason why I'm doing it is because System.io rewards me for helping people upgrade. I'm an affiliate. So that's how I can do it for free, right? Which brings me to the catch. All you have to do to get access to this is upgrade to a System.io paid plan, right? So it starts at $17. You upgrade to at least a $17 a month, right? I'm going to help you with all of this. And then you automatically unlock it, and I'm going to help you do all this stuff, right? That's it. If you want to just do it for a month and quit and say, hey, I'll change my mind, I don't want to do it, that's it. You don't have to pay me anything. And you're going to be able to keep all the stuff you had. I can't take it back. It's digital. So everything you learn within that month and all the stuff you got is still yours. There's nothing to lose except $17. All right. It's a win-win if you take action. All right. Now, there's also some perks if you upgrade even higher to the annual plan. So that means if you $17 a month, but if you do the yearly plan, you're going to save 2 months, right? So you'll probably pay like $170 one time. That's for the $17 plan. It goes up higher, just using an example. So you did the $170 a month and paid for it the year, you're saving 2 months, right? You're going to unlock some even special features. Well, one of them being, which everybody loves, you're going to get a one-on-one call with me where I can customize everything and help you on an even deeper level, answer some of your questions, right? Help you like that. That's if you do the annual plan. All right. So yeah, if you got it like that, if you got a little extra paper, you can afford it, go annual because you're going to be able to get more access to me. All right. I could really sit beside you, take control of your screen and literally do it with you. All right. But here's how you do it. This is how you do it. You got to use my link. All right. You got to use my link. That's my affiliate link. It's going to be down below this video in the YouTube description or in the comment section somewhere, right? So you got to upgrade using my link. That's what's going to qualify you. And you have to email me proof, all right? When you upgrade using my link, I'm going to get a notification of everybody who used my link, right? And I'll be able to verify your name and your email, all right? Myself and my team. So you have to email me the email that you use to sign up with System.io, not just a random email, the actual email you use to sign up. And if you can, I would love for you to have your name so that way we can guarantee that you are the person. All right. Your first, last name, email that you use to sign up and create your paid membership of System.io. All right. Any plan qualifies, monthly or annual. I still work with you. If you do the annual, though, you just get the special perks. Last catch, first 100 people. I can't do this for everybody. First 100 people, then it's gone. You lost. You missed out. Maybe it'll be somebody else, or maybe I'll do it again in the future. I don't know. All right. First 100 people. So there's urgency. If your thing is, I think I could do this if I could get past the tech, and I just can't afford to have some coaches or pay some people to help me do this. It costs too much money. I need all I got to actually be successful in the business. This is your sign right here, right? $17 to start at least would unlock it, and we can do this. I'm going to give you all the stuff, help you set it up. First 100 people. Everything's going to be down below in the YouTube subscription. You're going to want to email me at coachronnie@dadlearnsmoney.com, and myself and or my team is going to take care of you and help you get started so we can start getting some money into your business. It's just like that. All right. If you need more information, there should be some videos popping up on the screen somewhere. You can check those out. Till then, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.